Hi, I am very excited to welcome you back to school for fall 2020. Whether you're learning from home or here on campus, the experience is going to be great. Oh, sure, things are going to look different. There's no two ways around that. Across the country and around the world, schools are putting in all sorts of different protocols to make sure people stay healthy. It's no different here. But what hasn't changed is the fact that we have dedicated staff who are going to make sure our students get the most exceptional experience they possibly can. It's going to be great. We're going to be flexible, and we would ask that our parents and our community are flexible with us as we respond to this very dynamic situation. In addition to getting back to school, I'm also very excited to announce that the school board has proposed a ballot initiative with 2 questions on it. These ballots are going to go out in your mailboxes in just a couple of weeks and will be due by September 22nd. There are 2 questions. Question number 1 is, can the school be authorized to sell bonds adequate to build a new K-8 building on Farm Lane that is safe and accessible for our students now and well into the future? The cost is $22.1 million. The second question is, can the school board sell the current site for development that would help offset the costs and provide more improvements to that Farm Lane property? When you get these ballots, I would very much invite you to ask questions. Check out our website, loloschools.org, for more information, and to participate in the community Q&A sessions that we've got coming up in the next couple weeks, August 27th and September 1st. We're always here to answer your questions if you've got any here at the school. Again, the idea is to build a safe, accessible, community-centered facility that will serve Lolo students now and into the future, and it'll be under one roof, off the highway, and the sale of the current site would be a component of helping finance it. So with that, thank you once more, and onward for a great school year.